Alright, so today, oh look at that, who the hell is that mug? Today, we're going to remove the radiator from the Land Rover, my LR3. I have no idea what I'm doing, so let's go get at it. If I have time, I'm going to start working on the bushings in the back and maybe the brake actuator sometime this week. Alright, let's get working on all that. I didn't do this outside and showing you the bits because it's kind of windy and I'm expecting there to be a lot of wind noise, and I wanted to at least be able to talk a little bit. Let's get started. I don't know how well any of this is recording. Alright, I think first thing I'm going to try to do is figure out how to take this radiator shroud off. Alright. This is where my radiator broke, is right here. I'll show you. And I'll show you our ghetto fix so that we can drive it around the lot a little bit. Property. Whatever. See, this nipple broke, so we stuffed this brass pipe inside there, and that gave us enough to clamp onto so that we can drive it around, but I wouldn't trust it on the road as it sits unless it was an extreme emergency. Okay, so here I tried to uninstall the clutch fan using a clutch fan installation tool, and it was the wrong tool. It didn't work, so I fiddled with it for a while but couldn't get it. I did eventually take it off camera, and I ended up using a large pair of channel locks and like a 22mm wrench or something like that. Okay, so I got the front belly panel off and the two plastic splash guards on either side of the radiator. And I'm trying to figure out these little plastic things. I think they just come straight up, but they have like a lock on them. And I'm going to figure out how to push that lock. Down here, and there's this little plastic post. There's a little window. You gotta push that. There we go. Oh, I brought the whole thing with me. That's okay. Okay, so here I'm trying to find the radiator support bolts. And once I find them, I'm going to go ahead and just take them out, and then we're going to start fiddling with actually removing the radiator. Got one hell of a runny nose. Alright. Alright, I think I've gotten all the bolts that are holding the radiator together. There's some shroud stuff. These little clips right here. Alright, I'll be back. I need to look for some parts. Tools, rather. Alright, so what I've done is I've taken off the anchor here. Yeah, I know there's a lot of sunlight in places you don't want it, but whatever. Sorry, I'm not perfect. I took off the bolts that are holding the actual... Can you even see it? I don't think I could even get it in focus for you. Anyways, I've taken off the hardware that's holding the radiator. Now I'm going to try to get these hoses off. Hello, camera. There's a drain cock here, right in my mouth. All in all, it was about 3 gallons of fluid that was lost, and needed to be replaced in the end. There we go. All right. Yeah. Keeping all that organized, all right. Oh, God. Why is antifreeze so slimy? We'll let that drain. Okay, here's the current radiator, or the one I just took out. You can see that this nipple's broken right here. And also, if you look, this right here is completely falling apart. There's missing like a 1/4 inch or 1/2 inch piece at the end right here. And also, if you look at it, it looks like it's been leaking. Don't fall on my toes. Looks like it's been leaking for a while. It also looks like somebody put a bunch of stop leak in it at one point in time. Oh well. Ooh, crappy bushing. Alright, time to start installing the new one. Alright, here's the new radiator. Looks like a radiator to me. See how long that nipple is supposed to be? Come on, focus. There you go. Kind of see the difference between the two. Alright. Time to get working. I didn't get any footage of actually removing the radiator, but here's the footage of installing the radiator. Now actually took us 30-45 minutes to do this. Even sped up, it's not worth showing you the whole thing. Just know that if you go to tackle this, it's not complicated, it's time consuming. And this whole job really wasn't complicated, it was just time consuming, and you better have a pretty good mind about how to take things apart and put them back together. But other than that, it wasn't a bad job. Okay, that's probably enough of this. Let's go ahead and move on to the next step. Alright, now we're going to spin on the fan. It. There's that. That's not what I wanted to happen. Ready? Yeah. You ready? Yeah, give her hell. Huh? Is it good?
Didn't see anything.
Oh, I just saw you waving your hand.
Oh, it's blowing dirt.
Oh, okay.
It blew some
What's up? Oh, it sucked that dry. Water. No, it's pretty much. All right. I don't see anything leaking anywhere.